Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, the first code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. Now another code, which is actually similar to the previous one. It is *##07#. And now we can see that here we've got regulatory labels, so we can check the technical information about this device. Another code actually, which we can enter is *###225###. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. Unfortunately, we cannot really tap on this specific section and enter it, so we cannot check the specific events. However, then here we can check into which category they are assigned. And another code which we can use is *##426###. And here we are in the Diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and the last code which I'd like to show you is *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So simply tap on it, choose for example status, and here we can check the SSID or network ID. We can run ping test here. Moreover, we can enter usage statistics, and here we've got the list of all apps with the specific time we've spent on them, and phone information with technical info such as, for example, car network, IMEI number again, voice service, signal strength. Beware, because you will be able to check those details if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why I cannot really check it. Here we can run ping test, and after tapping on the three dots icon, we can also view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.